La 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 la. Mommy, I'm so excited. We're at the beach. Yay. I'll go put your ball here and I will put the towels here and you go play in the pool. Okay, Mommy. La 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 la. La 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 la. Whee! Oh, Mommy tells us that Mom, please, I want the soap, please, the scrub. Okay, let me go ask the man. Hi, sir, hi. How much is the scrub, please? It's $5. Here you go. Thank you. Let me give her the soap. Now I can scrub myself. Something else I want, please. Cotton, please. Okay. Thank you, please, sir. Now you shower yourself. Yeah. Yeah, it's so fun because my mommy is so kind and cool. But my daddy is not coming. I wish my dad was here. Hi, Daddy! Daddy, hi, how are you? Can I swim with you? Of course. Ooh, we're diving. It's so cool and it's so sunny today. Oh, honey, you're here? Hi, can I swim with you? Of course. Everybody diving. Now play alone. We have to go do some things. If you want, I will give you your ball to play with. Yeah. Here's your ball, honey. Now you can play, okay? Yay! It's so fun. Now I'm gonna. Everybody doesn't know that I'm a big girl. I'm gonna right here. Whoa! Oh, I'm scared.